Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your pay details on Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and edit your pay details on Gusto. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And if you also haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll get a $100 gift card, Visa gift card sent to you once you run your first payroll. So in order to edit your pay details, what you're going to do is log on to Gusto. On the bottom left-hand corner, click on your profile icon name. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Plan and Billing. Now, once you've done so, you want to go and scroll all the way down. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and edit your pay details. You could actually add a bank account, and you can see which bank account is currently connected. And if you click on these three dots, you'll be able to set up a reverse wire, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit your pay details on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.